Okay, so let us see classification of followers. So types of followers. What are the different types of followers? So the first classification is based on surface contact. Maybe you can write down follower shape. So the first is knife. Knife edge follower. So what we had drawn earlier, that was a knife edge follower which was having a shape, you can say something like a pencil. And then there was a cam here. We are not going into the details of cam because we are studying follower. So this is a follower whose shape is like a pencil and it is having point contact with the surface of the cam. So when the cam moves according to the shape of the cam, this follower will move up and down, which we have seen. Now this is a convention. What you see here, these lines which are shown, these lines are showing the support. So like suppose I am holding it like this is moving up and down like this. So this is working as a support. So in this support it is moving and it is moving in a perfect vertical direction. Now I have shown here clearance. The convention always is like that we show this clearance. We don't show that this is touching here. Because if you make this touch, then that means it will indicate that this is fixed. This will not move. That will be the meaning. You know, if you remember in the case of gear train, we are drawn a gear. If you want to show that a gear is fixed, then you are showing such kind of lines touching to the gear so that we know that gear is fixed. Now here this is not fixed. If you make this touch, then you will get the impression that this is fixed. It is not fixed, so we are showing some distance, and that distance also means that there is no friction. We are not talking about friction. It will be having ideal movement. So no movement, no friction anywhere. It is just moving smoothly within the support. So this convention you will see at many places we are using. Okay. So that was a knife edge follower. The other is, I'll just show here itself, a roller follower. Roller follower. So everything is same, but then this follower, it is like this. I am just showing as a convention. And then here there is a cam surface. Now this is a roller follower. As you see here, the contact of this roller, this is a roller. Contact is made with the cam surface. So as the cam moves, as the cam say has rotation in this case, then this will have a rotation also, and as per the shape it will move up and down also. So this will keep on rolling and this will go on up and down as per the shape. So when you move like this, it will move this way. Okay. So these are roller followers. So sometimes the follower is like this, sometimes the follower is like this. Knife edge follower, roller follower. There are many other types. Now what do we, before we go further, what do we see here? In these two cases, what is the plus point here, minus point here, plus point here, minus point here? Why do you need this? Why do you need this? That is what we will see in brief. What could you see here as the maybe advantage of this case compared to this? You will see that the advantage in this case could be simplicity is the advantage. That means the cost. Because it is very easy to make just a single part given a peculiar shape and then it can start its function. Here how many parts are there? In this follower how many parts are there? There is a roller, there is a stem here and there is a pin here. So you require some stem, some pin, some roller, some machining. So a lot of things are required to make this kind of an assembly. We are shown it here just as a schematic diagram, just a representation which will make you understand how it works. But in reality, this will not be like a line. It will be some rod. To that rod there is some cutout. In that cutout, see, it could be maybe something like this. If you want to draw this in details, it could be like this. Then here maybe some cutout is made. Some kind of a slot is made. In this slot, then the wheel is going to be fitted somehow. So if I draw a wheel it could be a wheel like this. And then there's a pin going through and so on. So all these things you require in order to make this assembly. So a lot of things are involved, so obviously cost will be involved here. So cost wise this is better and this may be costlier. What could be the disadvantage of this? Because if you see this, everything has got some plus point, minus point. So its plus point is that it is cost effective. Okay, so less cost. Maybe I'll write here plus points and minus points. So plus points for this is less cost. So obviously the minus point of this is more cost, opposite of this. Now what will be the minus point here? The minus point could be that at this place you will realize that there is a friction. Its working itself is such that when the cam rotates, there is going to be a rubbing action which is taking place here, and that rubbing action will create some kind of a resistance, and not just resistance, there could be some wearing out taking place. Okay, some heat may generate, many such things will happen. It will require maybe lubrication. So all such things will be required if there is a friction here. Okay, so you can say that the minus point is friction. There is one more plus point here. That point is sensitivity. Knife edge follower will be having more sensitivity compared to roller. What is the meaning of sensitivity is, suppose this cam surface has got certain shape like this. Certain shape like this is there. So as soon as this depression comes here, that small depression it can easily sense because there is a point contact. And then accordingly it can take a dip inside and move up. Now same thing, suppose you prepare here. There is a small depression here. Now when this depression comes under the roller, this roller may not be able to sense this depression because of the curvature of the roller and the curvature of this slot or the groove or the depression. So here this small difference in the surface is sensed by knife edge follower but not by roller follower. So if there is a need like this, then this need will be fulfilled. This kind of movement difference if you want, then that will be possible only by knife edge follower and not by roller follower. So you can say that is called a sensitivity. So this is more sensitive, which is good. More sensitive and this is less sensitive. So you can see 2 points in favor of this, 1 point not in favor, that is friction, and opposite of that is applicable here. Okay. Here there will not be any friction, so the wearing out what we had in friction will be much less here, because the rolling action, wearing out also will be less, and so on. So these points you should realize why there are different varieties. Then after that we will see, say, the third type, that is the mushroom follower. Now mushroom follower has got a shape which is something like this. And then under this there is a cam. So the shape of the follower like this, the third is mushroom follower. Now we are not going into the details of mushroom follower, only we are looking at this as a one of the types, type 1, type 2, type 3 and so on. No, this is in fact spherical. There is some difference. This is spherical, not mushroom. Spherical follower, and then mushroom follower I'll draw here. It's almost same, but it is flat. flat surface, that is mushroom follower, and then flat with some curvature, that is spherical follower. So we are seeing different types of followers, and they are the followers if the shape is the criteria. So if you want to classify them according to the shape, then these are the 4 types of followers. You can draw these sketches, then we will take up the next part.